Hey guys, this is Kylie, mother of a plan. So most people are kind of wondering how to save money during the holidays. Well, my first obvious most reason to save money for the holidays is not support big business on feeling obligated to buy your family a whole bunch of presents, especially if you can't afford it and are using credit cards. But most people are just going to do that anyways, and they're going to still do that anyways because they feel obligated that they need to give their family gifts. So if you are using credit cards this year, and if you have a low score, anything from 700 and below, you are actually paying more in interest because of how your score. So the lower your score, the higher interest rates credit card companies tend to charge. So if you haven't fixed your credit and been trying to fix your credit and don't know where to turn to, I have your solution. Basically, you pay a startup fee, which is $28 as right now because we're doing a holiday promo. So you're saving money anyways in this, and then it's $34.95 after every month, and we fix your credit between 30 and 90 days. So that is one. Another solution with the same thing of this credit repair, you're also getting a way to adjust your W-4. 80% of Americans do not adjust their W-4 correctly. It's written out wrong, and so technically they're losing money because most of their money is going to pay taxes. It's taken out every week. So by doing these steps, we show you how to get between $200 and $500 your next pay period after adjusting your W-4 and making sure it's correct. So if you want any more or to sign up today, go down and click the link below. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, the links are links below in the description area. So have a good day, and follow and subscribe to this channel.